Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
We had not been on a real road trip in a couple of years, so we decided it was time to get back on the bikes and head west. This trip took us across the southwest, through some incredible places, a little Las Vegas chaos, and a whole lot of open road. back home all made this one we will not forget. It was not just about the destinations, it was about the ride, the people, and the memories we made along the way. If you enjoyed riding along with us, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us about your favorite road trip destination. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.